Niranjana's Foodventures. Momos, also called as dim sums, is an extremely popular dish all over India. It is found in every kind of shops from street vendors to fine dining restaurants. Do you want to learn how to make momos at home? Come, let's get started.
Add 1 cup flour, salt, 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any cooking oil. I have used sesame oil because the flavor goes well with any Asian food. Add little water and knead it to a dough. Let the dough be a little tight, only then it will be easy to roll it into thin sheets. Cover it with a wet cloth and keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. You can use any vegetables that doesn't release much water. Today I've used onions, cabbage, carrot and beans. To prepare the filling, mix all the vegetables together. Add some chopped garlic, season it with soya sauce, vinegar, salt and pepper. If you are wondering if I have cooked any of these vegetables, no, I have not. We are going to use this mixture of raw vegetables to fill the momos, and it will get cooked when the momos are steamed. That way, the vegetables will stay nice and juicy inside the momos. Work with small portions of the dough at one time. Keep the rest covered with a damp cloth so that it doesn't get dry. Roll the dough into a thin sheet. Dust some flour if needed. Try to make a square sheet. Now cut it into almost equal squares. Try to make each square at least 3 by 3 inch so that it's easy for you to fold, especially if you're making momos for the first time. There are many shapes in which momos are made. I am going to show you one of the easiest methods. Hold the sheet in your hand, place a spoonful of filling and fold it in half to make a triangle. Press the edges. Gently press the filling so that it spreads evenly. Now roll it from one end to another. Secure the open end with the help of little water. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. I'm using an idli steamer to steam the momos. Grease a steamer tray with oil so that the momos doesn't stick to it. Now place the momos on the tray and steam it for around 10 minutes on medium heat. Remove the stem of the dried red chillies and put it into a pan. Remove the eye of the tomatoes and add it to the same pan. Pour a little water and bring it to a boil. Let it boil on high heat until the tomatoes are fully cooked and the skin begins to peel off. Let it cool, add to a blender, make a fine paste and keep aside. Now heat some oil in a pan, add the chopped onion, chopped garlic and saute for some time. Now add the chili tomato paste. Season it with sugar and some salt. Let it cook until the raw smell of garlic and tomato goes off and the chutney thickens. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Serve it along with the momos.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your momo loving friends and subscribe to Niranjana's Foodventures for more interesting recipes.